All right, let's talk about how you can set character limits in any cell within Excel. So here we have some data. We just have some names, a column for that employee's ID, the salary they make, and how long they've been with the company, for example. And let's say that all of these ID numbers are 4 characters or 4 digits long. And so when we're entering these ID numbers, we don't want anyone to be able to enter an ID number more than 4 or less than 4 characters long. So a way you can set a character limit for all of these cells is what you first need to do is select all the cells where you want that character limit to be. So in this case, it's just in column C. We'll highlight that. And then what you do is you go to data, and then you find this little icon, which is data validation. Go ahead and click data validation. This little pop-up box will appear. And then in settings, what you're going to want to do is hit this drop down and select text length. So you have a couple of options here under this data tab. If you hit this drop down, you can select any of these options. So for example, if I select less than or equal to, I can say, hey, I don't want anything to be typed in here greater than 5, right? So anything less than or equal to 5 will be able to be inputted here. If it's 6 or more, then you can't input it here. In our case, we want to do just equal to, and our length, like we mentioned, would be 4. Now, you have a couple of additional things you can do. You can have an input message or an error alert display when you enter information into these cells. We'll skip this input message for now. Basically, what this will do is when you select a cell, a message will pop up. And you can write that here. You can put a title for the message, and you can input any description or information you want regarding these cells. But what we will do is add an error alert. We'll just leave it at stop here, and then we can enter a title and what we want the error message to say. So we'll just say error as the title, if I could spell. And the error message will be needs to be 4 characters long. And basically what's going to happen is if we try to input more or less than 4 characters, this message will appear. We'll go ahead and hit OK. And so now all of these cells have that data validation or that character limit set. So for example, if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 4 characters, I'm good. You could also do with letters. So if I go A, B, C, D, that also works. But let's say I try to do 5 characters. It's going to bring up this little error message that we created saying error needs to be 4 characters long. And then we can retry. If we just do 3 characters, that message will appear as well. So there you have it. That's how you can set character limits within Excel. Pretty quick and pretty easy. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button before you go. Thank you so much and have a great rest of your day.